Hi, my name is Zachary Clarke, and today we will be talking about recycling. This is my audience. On average, each one of us produces 4.4 pounds of trash each day. This adds up to almost a ton of trash per person per year. Once I learned of this, I took action and started to monitor my waste. Garbage does not just affect our earth, but the health of each individual and our societies. If everyone does not make an effort to start recycling immediately, we could all begin to live in one giant disgusting trash heap. Plastics are a large majority of our trash that make up 13.4% of our annual waste. Let's look at how we can help reduce this and what are the effects that it causes on the environment. Plastics are made up of polymers that are based off fossil fuels. They are dangerous and toxic to the environment. When you throw them away, all they do is simply go into the trash, they sit in a landfill, and they never break down. At least that's for about 500 years or so, which is beyond our lifetime. The main harm that it causes is toxic water pollution, endangerment to wildlife, such as animals can swallow, ingest these things that will kill them, or cause severe damage that could cause them detrimental health for the rest of their life. And also toxifies the earth, polluting the ground, making it uninhabitable for ground species. One major cause is health problems. It can form different forms of cancer, obesity, allergic reactions to specifically things such as latex and vinyls, which are mainly gloves and does not allow doctors and other food industry workers to provide their jobs. Pigments are a large contribution of colors. That they are highly toxic and made of heavy metals which leach out of the plastics when they are left in landfills. One problem is many people that cannot afford to recycle or dispose of trash properly will burn their trash, which is a terrible idea because it will release toxic chemicals into the atmosphere that when they could be recycled responsibly and made into different products. According to Clean Air Council, the South also has the most landfill facilities of 726, in contrast with 134 in the Northeast, stated by the Waste Department of the United States. How can we help reduce rates? Recycling is simple. All you have to do is start, and you can analyze your product. There should be a little recyclable symbol, such as this. On the bottom of it, it will have a number 1 through 7 for plastics, which each one is identified as 1, which is polyethylene terephthalate, which is mostly drinking bottles that we consume, which can be easily recycled into many different things, made into carpets and everyday products, just as water bottles. Number 2, plastics are made from high-density polyethylene, which is trash bags and large drinking jugs. Number 3 is made of polyvinyl chloride, which is mainly made for piping and different plumbing uses. Number 4, plastics are made of LDPE, which is low-density polyethylene, which is made of squeeze bottles such as ketchups and mustard, mainly condiments. Number 5 is polypropylene, which is used for straws and pill bottles. Number 6, plastics are polystyrene, which make up CDs and egg cartons. Number 7, plastics are made of mixed plastics that cannot be recycled most of the time, and they have to be split up into different ones and analyzed. It's a much longer recyclable process, and sometimes they're just thrown into trash heaps and never recycled, which is terrible because this is the main importance of the symbols. So try not to buy number 7 plastics. Once you have identified which plastic you have different options First off, you can get a recycling bin from your local waste distributor. Usually they have different colors, which they have green, blue, and red. The green one is for plastics, blue is for aluminum, and red is used for paper. If you are not able to get a recycling bin from your waste distributor, then search on the internet and you will be able to find quickly a recycling center that is hopefully in close proximity to you. If it's not in close proximity, then I urge you to get a group of friends together, collect all of your items, and make a trip at one time to be most effective in your recycling and to help other people recycle. If you do not have any recycling places close to you, then you can also just turn all your old plastics into different creations. You can make lamps from old jugs. You can make holding containers from old jugs. You can turn a 2-liter bottle into a funnel, and you can reuse plastic bags from the grocery shop, either new groceries or you can make it into a really cool laptop case. Do not be lazy. It's very simple and very effective to help the environment and everyone's health in it. Plastics are made up of a large portion of waste and can be easily recycled. I challenge everyone to see how much of their waste they can recycle. Remember, reduce, reuse, recycle. Thank you.